Okay, I need to talk about this because it's completely changed my dog's health. Before I found UltraK9 Pro, I was constantly at the vet allergy shots, arthritis meds, stomach issues. I was spending hundreds on vet bills every few months. Then I heard about UltraK9 Pro from a fellow dog owner and figured, why not? It's been 2 months since we started using it, and I can't believe it. No more vet visits. His joints don't hurt like they used to, his stomach is happy again, and his energy is through the roof. UltraK9 Pro is a blend of primal nutrients like turmeric, collagen, and ginseng, things that support everything from digestion to mobility. Not only has it saved us money, but my dog's health has actually improved. If you want a natural way to improve your dog's health and save on vet bills, try this out. I'll drop the link in my bio.